Looking for the perfect belt sander but don't know where to start? Today we're counting down 5 popular models from weakest to best, so you can pick the one that's just right for you. Starting off in 5th place, we have the Jellas. This is the kind of tool that tries to do it all. It's a handheld sander that can double as a bench tool thanks to the included clamps. It offers variable speed and comes with a generous pack of sanding belts right out of the box. On paper, it sounds like a handy all-rounder for the DIY crowd. One of the biggest strengths is flexibility. Whether you're working on furniture edges or setting it up as a stationary unit for smaller parts, it adapts to your needs. That long 10-foot cord gives you freedom to move, and the 2-in-1 dust adapter means you can hook it up to your shop vac for cleaner work. But compared to the others on this list, the build is more on the budget side. The plastic housing, heavier weight for handheld use, and noticeable vibration can be tiring. The bundled sanding belts aren't the most durable, and it's not built for heavy-duty daily use. This is best for hobbyists or occasional users who need a versatile tool without spending big. And if you want to grab this model, or any from this review, at the best price, I've put links for all of them down below in the description. In 4th place, we have the Craftsman. This one takes a different approach. It's light, compact, and easy to handle, which makes it great for long sanding sessions without arm fatigue. It's also designed with an angled front so you can get right up close to walls or tight corners. I like how it combines decent power with simplicity. The tool-free belt change system is quick, the 3-position handle gives you comfort in different sanding angles, and the onboard dust bag is always there to catch the mess. For lighter projects or finishing work, it's smooth and easy to control. However, its dust collection isn't as strong as some other models, and the smaller front roller can wear belts fast. If you push it hard for long periods, it may heat up, and the plastic housing isn't as rugged as pro-grade sanders. This one's ideal for light woodworking, home repairs, and anyone who values comfort over raw power. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next tool review. At number 3, we've got the Wen. This isn't a handheld, it's a benchtop combo tool with both a belt and a disc sander. If you've got a workshop, this is the kind of setup that stays put and handles a wide variety of sanding tasks without switching tools. Its heavy cast iron base keeps vibration low, the belt tilts for different angles, and you can swap belts quickly with a tension release lever. Having both a 4-inch belt and a 6-inch disc makes it incredibly versatile for woodworking projects. The trade-off? Dust collection is modest at best, and you'll occasionally have to adjust belt tracking. The miter gauge and disc table aren't the most precise either, but for a budget-friendly stationary sander, it still delivers solid performance. This is perfect for hobbyists and small shop owners who want a stable, multi-purpose sanding station without spending a fortune. Runner-up in our list is the Metabo. This is a true workhorse, powerful, precise, and built for tough sanding jobs. The variable speed lets you slow down for delicate work or crank it up for fast material removal, and the clear front cover gives you better visibility while working. It's got a long-lasting build, a flush sanding surface for edge work, and a generous 5-year warranty, which is rare in this category. For professionals or serious DIYers, it delivers both power and control. Its main drawbacks are weight and bulk. At 9.5 pounds with a side-mounted dust bag, it's heavier and not as balanced as lighter models, especially for overhead or prolonged work. The dust bag can also get in the way in tighter spaces. This sander is great for contractors or anyone tackling large sanding jobs who values raw performance and durability. And in 1st place, we have the DeWalt. This cordless model combines pro-grade performance with unmatched convenience. No cords means total freedom to move around your workspace, and the brushless motor delivers more power and efficiency than many corded units. It has precise speed control with a 25-step dial, a quick-release belt change, and a large plate for more sanding surface. Dust collection is outstanding, especially when paired with the airlock system, capturing up to 95% of debris. The only downside is battery runtime, especially if you're doing heavy sanding, and a few users have reported belt tracking issues. But if you've already got DeWalt batteries in your toolkit, it's a no-brainer. This is perfect for pros, remodelers, or anyone who values mobility without sacrificing power. That wraps up our countdown of 5 belt sanders from weakest to best. If you want to check out today's top picks at the best price, you'll find links down below in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best tools out there.